and tip. Makeup, the latest tea, fashion, challenges, hair, relationships. We're doing it all. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi guys, it's Tip here. So I filmed this look today. It's the little gold smoky eye, nude lip, giving very, very cute vibes, especially for the winter. I feel like smoky is always appropriate in the wintertime. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. We did do it voiceover style, and it's not my voice that you will hear. So that should be interesting. You guys keep watching.
And let's get started. So I am applying a concealer to both eyelids, and I'm gonna use this as a base or a primer, and I'm just gonna generously apply it to both eyelids just to really lather it on and get it blended in there. And after I do that, I'm going to use a brown powder from my Kylie palette. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna apply that to the crease to kind of give that separation between my eye and my eyebrow. And now I'm just gonna go into the corners of my eye with a darker brown from that same palette, and I'm just gonna really just blend it in, just blend. Blending is key. Like, if you want everything to look effortlessly and cohesive on your face, you have to blend. Like, you have to blend. So I'm just blending everything in, adding that darker brown to the corners, the outer corners, so that I can get that smoky look. And now I'm taking a gold shimmer from another Kylie palette. Oh my god. And I'm just applying that to the crease of each eye. I want that to really, pop. So I'm just applying that on both eyes. And now I'm ready for my foundation. So I am prepping my face by using a primer, and I'm pretty sure this is something I found in Sephora, and it probably costs like $500. But it primes my face and my makeup stays on all day. So now I am using a beauty blender sponge to apply my foundation, and you don't want to like drag it across your face and rub it. You want to dab. So I'm just dabbing, dab. Just want to really work it into all those pores and those crevices of my face. And the foundation that I'm using is by Fenty Beauty. It's the shade 598. And I got this from Sephora as well, I'm pretty sure. And it probably cost me around like $80. So I'm just dabbing that on, dab, working that in, just really working it into my face, making sure I cover every last inch of my face with the foundation. Oh, this is my clothes. Okay, all right, back to it. So now I'm just continuing to blend with my beauty blender, and I am ready to apply my concealer. And I also bought this concealer from Sephora, and I'm pretty sure it probably cost me like $30. And I'm just gonna really generously apply that underneath my eye, on my nose, on my tiny little forehead, right above the bridge of my lip, and on my chin. And now I'm going to contour my cheek area, and I will be using a Fenty Beauty contour stick for this, shade 797. And I'm just going to apply that to both cheeks. And blend that concealer in on both cheeks. Just blend. You really want to blend that in so that you have a nice clean contour look. And now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm blending in my concealer. So I'm just blending, also dabbing as well. Make sure you just want to dab. You don't want to rub, you want to dab. Just work that product into your face. Work it, girl. All right, so I'm doing my little forehead, got that all blended, did my nose, now I'm doing my chin, blend. And now I am ready to contour my nose. Snatch it, gonna snatch it. So I am using a contour palette by Kylie Jenner. Oh my God, you guys guessed it, Kylie Jenner. And I am just going to contour my nose with a nice small angled brush. And you want to really blend that contour because you don't want to see those lines on the sides of your nose. So you just want to really get in there and blend with that brush. All right, and I'm just blending. Whew, had to blow that off a little bit. And now I'm applying the same powder on top of my contour to kind of give it that set look on both sides. So I'm just doing that on the other side, doing it on the other side, and just blending, 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 brush, brush, brush. And now I'm taking a setting powder and I'm just lightly applying that on top of my concealed areas to give it that set look. And this powder is Peaches and Cream. I also found this in Sephora and I'm pretty sure it was like $89. So now I'm using a eyeshadow brush and I'm placing the eyeshadow underneath my lids to just collectively give my eye that smoky look, even though it's already like super smoky. Now I'm just making it like super, super smoky. And now I'm going into the corners of my eyes with a highlight to kind of give those eyes that pop, you know? And it's a lot of spray. All right, I'm setting my face now, drowning it, dousing it in spray, and I'm just gonna give it that good old hand air because you know that just makes it set so much faster. And I'm going over my nose and the bridge of my lip with a little highlight, and I'm just more fan air, just fanning it. Fan, fan, fan. All right, and now I'm adding that highlight to my cheek, and I'm pretty sure this is by CoverGirl, and that highlight will be popping. Okay, watch this. It's gonna be popping. You see it. It's popping. Okay. And now I'm gonna do the other side. Add my little highlight. Here we go. Gotta make sure you guys can see me. Yes. Highlight those lips. Lips and above the brow. I want to give my face that good highlight. And now I am ready to do my lips. So I'm outlining my lips with a nice brown matte shade. And then I'm going over the inside with a nude brown lip pencil of some sort that I got from Sephora as well, and it was only $49. Okay, that's it, just $49 for this pencil. You see that? Really work that in, okay? Pop your lips to make it, you know, cohesive. All right, I am done. Look at me. Oh no, we gotta take that off. Let's see. All right. This is me, okay? This is Tip, T-I-P.